Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Consumers decide to buy more computers and fewer typewriters. As a result, computer companies expand production while typewriter companies lay off workers. This is an example of a structural unemployment created by efficiency waves. B. Cyclical unemployment created by a recession. C. Fractional unemployment created by a sectoral shift in demand. D. None of the above is correct. Correct answer is C. Fractional unemployment created by a sectoral shift in demand.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.